Students, parents and teachers, good afternoon and welcome back to Term 4 and with our Week 2 virtual assembly. As we gather today in this special place, together we acknowledge the First Nations people, the traditional custodians of this land. We should always remember that under the buildings, concrete and playground, land was and always will be home to the Gweagal people of the Darrell Nation. Together we pay respect to elders both past and present and to the young people of today as they embrace their connection to country.
Please welcome Mrs. Roach for her Principal's Address.
Hi everyone, welcome to our first virtual assembly for Term 4. We're keeping on going with our virtual assemblies because we've still got our COVID restrictions in place, but the students are doing really well recording and we're enjoying doing this for you. Do you know that it is the last Term 4 for our Year 6 students and the last Term 4 of primary school that they will ever have again? And it is a great privilege to have been working with and enjoying the company of our Year 6 students this year. It's a really big milestone to get to this place where, you know, they're contemplating high school, they're thinking about all of their primary school days. And even though we've still got obviously another 8 weeks to go, it's a really important acknowledgement to recognise the contribution that our Year 6 students have made and will continue to make for the rest of this term. So we wish them well for their last term and hope they have a really happy, successful time for the rest of their time here at Engadine West. We have been having our guessing competition for the PBL tokens, thanks to Mrs. Wepler and the SRC students for organising all that. On Monday, I'm going to be announcing the winner, or maybe there'll be winners, of the guessing competition. So on assembly on Monday, maybe we'll have a Year 3 to 6 winner and a K to 2 winner as well. We can do that. The prize is still a surprise, but I'll let everybody know what that's going to be when we work out who the winners are. And the staff and the teachers, they've all been having a guess too, so hopefully someone will get that one right as well. And I'll be able to give them a little prize as well. Well done everyone for all your dressing up yesterday. What a great day. It's always fun to have a dress up day, whether it's Mufti Day or whether it's dressing up for a specific purpose. We always have a good time. So thanks everyone for doing that. Thanks to our P&C for the donation of the popcorn. When I spoke to Jenny, our cleaner this morning, she said she'd never seen so much popcorn in the playground. And I was secretly hoping that the birds would take care of all of the popcorn that was on the ground. But what she did say was, whilst there was a bit of popcorn around, there was very little rubbish. So well done, you listened to the instructions, you were respectful in our playground, and nearly all of that rubbish got into the bins. So that's great. And if you ordered a book from our book fair, it's coming to you really soon. I know Mrs. Evans is working hard on making sure all the books get to the right people. Sometimes when those books run out, Mrs. Evans has to order some extra ones. They'll be coming to you as soon as they come in. So have a nice weekend, everyone, and I'll see you all again bright and sparkly on Monday. Bye.
We will now have our Year 6 awards. From 6H, Aidan W, Jacob W and Indiana W. From 6P, Jet J, Ethan S and Max C. From 6R, Cynthia L, Lily Z and Bo H. From 6T, Jade S, Lara S and Jacob L. Now for wonderful work. From 6H, Ethan D. From 6P, Kalani C. From 6R, Imogen P. And from 6T, Alana H. Congratulations to all the Year 6 award winners.
We will now have the Year 5 awards. From 5G, Fletcher A, Victoria B, and Kieran B. From 5H, Dasha C, Jake J, and Josh G. From 5R, Reed C, Isabella D, and Lucy H. And from 5S, Lily H, Joshua B, and Alex S. We will now have the wonderful work. From 5G, Chloe B. From 5H, Matilda G. From 5R, Lincoln A. And from 5S, Poppy C. Congratulations to all the Year 5 award recipients.
Now for the Year 4 awards. From 4C, Nicholas M, Reese M, and Alyssa T. From 4D, Christian M, Cooper M, and Elizabeth B. From 4K, Chase N, John P, and Max R. From 4M, Belly S, Riley Van D, and Jordan W. Now for the wonderful work. From 4C, Zane B. From 4D, Grace M. From 4K, Mason S. And from 4M, Kaya G. Congratulations to the Year 4 award winners.
Now for the Year 3 awards. From 3D, Liam C, Billy C, and Blade N. From 3F, Jack F, Layla B, and Lily T. From 3W, Skylar H, Talon K, and Jessica W. Now for the wonderful work. From 3D, Milo C. From 3F, Sophia DP. And from 3W, Will H. Congratulations, Year 3 award winners.
Mrs. Roach, could you please present the Citizenship Awards?
Well, thanks, Alex. I'd love to. The Citizenship Awards this week, there's a number of people who are getting a similar award. So I'm going to read out their citation and then I'm going to read out all of the recipients for that same citation. The reason that this group of students is getting an award is for outstanding sportsmanship and genuine kindness and support for others. And I think this comes from, or I know this comes from, all the fine efforts that people showed during the cross-country carnival for years 3 to 6. Of particular note, Molly in 6T, Evie in 5H, Rihanna in 6R, Jensen in 5G, and Austin in 5S. And we do have some more from our younger students. For Isla in 1L, Isla's been consistently demonstrating respect towards her teachers and peers. For Charlotte E in 1L, for being caring and a thoughtful friend to her peers. For Dash E in 3D, outstanding sportsmanship at the Cross Country Carnival. And we talked about Dash at our Monday assembly last week and his outstanding efforts. Harry N from 2W, he's been thinking about others and helping those in need. And Zach G from 4M, he's been supporting others in class with their writing. It's lovely to see that our students are receiving citizenship awards inside the classroom as well as in the playground. Some other awards now, Operation Art. So Operation Art is an art competition where students can submit artworks and those artworks are then go into a competition, and the winners of that competition, their artworks get displayed in hospitals around New South Wales where they have children's wards, and it brightens the walls of wards for children who are unwell. And this is the flyer, that's what it looks like. And the award, the awards of highly commended artwork go to Olivia W, Madeline W, Kaya G, and Zara C. Thank you to those people who submitted their artworks to really make sick kids in hospitals feel a whole lot better. And thanks to Mrs. Way because she coordinated that program.
Thank you, Mrs. Roach, and congratulations to the Citizenship Award recipients.
We will now have the Year 2 awards from 1-2P, Neve P, Oscar J, and Gracie M. From 2D, Margot S, Jackson S, and Sam O. From 2M, Paige I, Abby M, and Reese P. From 2W, Sarah, Jet, and Liam S. Congratulations to the Year 2 award winners.
We will now have the Year 1 awards. From 1L, Isaac J, William G, and Marley P. From 1M, Lola W, Tyson R, and Nate M. From 1T, Evie M, Ava M, and Tate L. Congratulations to the Year 1 award winners.
We will now have the Kindergarten Award recipients. From KB, Nate M, Sally L, and Phoebe L. From KJ, Michaela F, Kai S, and Jack M. From KM, Isabella S, Ted A, and Ben T. From KS, Ivy R, Ed H, and Aiden D. Congratulations to the Kindergarten Award recipients.
We will now present the Icebox Lucky Draw. Students who receive a green token in the playground over the past fortnight for being safe, respectful learners go into the draw to win an ice block from the care team. Ethan and I will now draw out 3 winners. Abby from 4M, Samuel from 2D, and Emily from 6T.
Thank you for following our school expectations. Go to Mrs. Wepler on Monday to get your awards.
Thank you for tuning in to our Week 2 virtual assembly. Don't forget to try your best and always remember to be safe, respectful learners.